delete row or column very quickly. So how can we do this? We have to use two keys. Suppose I want to delete this row first. So one option is I will click from the mouse, right click, delete, and another option from the keyboard. So just press shift plus space to select the row and then control plus minus. So you can see it is selected. That row is deleted and another one is selected. If you want to delete this one, you can also press control plus minus from keyboard. So when again if you want to delete the next row, control plus minus. Similar way for the column, first I will select the column, control plus space, then control plus minus. Now I want to delete this month, control plus space and then control plus minus. So very quick way to delete the column or rows.